At month end, many owners invoice every client at once. On the owner calendar, click Generate Invoices. Pick a date range with from and to. Optionally filter to one client or leave all eligible clients to queue jobs for everyone who has uninvoiced calendar sessions in that window. Click Generate. For a full batch, JollyBilling may ask you to confirm Generate for all eligible clients before queuing work. Invoicing runs in the background. Watch the progress banner at the top of the screen. Each client gets their own invoice from their own calendar events in the range. When a job finishes, open that client's Invoices tab to review, adjust due dates, and send. This is the fastest path when you run a weekly or monthly billing cycle across many clients. If you live in the calendar during the day, keyboard shortcuts save clicks. Click once inside the calendar grid so it has focus. Do not type while your cursor is in a form field. Press J or the right arrow to go to the next period. Press K or the left arrow for the previous period. Press T for today. Press 1 for day view, 2 for week view, or 3 for month view. Press N to open a new event at the next half hour. Press Escape to close the calendar lesson or an open event dialog. These shortcuts work on the Client Calendar tab. They are not documented on the Owner Calendar page, but the same view buttons and navigation buttons are available there with the mouse. JollyBilling includes built-in guidance if you want a refresher without this video. On the Client Calendar tab, click the question mark button labeled Calendar Lesson. A short walkthrough opens with 4 steps: planning events, setting up repeats, choosing an invoice date range, and turning events into invoice lines. Use Back and Next, then click Start using the calendar when you are done. On the Owner Calendar page, open the Calendar Guide popover from the header. It explains that billing happens elsewhere, how to add events, what the star and lock icons mean, and how recurring series edits work. Neither guide replaces hands-on practice, but they are handy when onboarding someone on your team. Let's tie this together with a realistic week. On Monday morning, open the Owner Calendar in Week View. Scan who you are seeing each day. Drag any conflicts to open slots. For a new weekly client, open their client calendar, create a repeating series on the days you meet, and pick a client color so their blocks stand out on the owner grid. As sessions happen, leave them on the calendar. You do not need to invoice immediately unless that is your policy. On Friday, or the first of the month, use Generate Invoice on each client you bill individually, or Generate Invoices on the owner calendar if you batch everyone at once. Before sending, open Draft Invoices, confirm due dates, and use the star preview on any calendar event if you want a quick email check. Block personal time by creating an event with a clear title like Admin or Lunch. It keeps expectations realistic when you glance at the week. The calendar is not a task manager and does not send reminder notifications on its own. It is your schedule of billable work. Pair it with your own reminders outside JollyBilling if you need pings before each appointment. A quick note on the JollyBilling mobile app. On a client's record, the Calendar tab shows a month grid. Tap a day to see that day's sessions in a list below. Tap New Event to create or edit sessions with the same core fields: title, date, time, duration, rate, and note. You can turn on Repeat when creating a series. Generate Invoice from Calendar is available on mobile with a date range picker, though the experience is simpler than on the web. What mobile does not include today? The owner-wide calendar page, week and daytime grids, drag-and-drop rescheduling, the email preview star, the calendar lesson, keyboard shortcuts, and the client color picker. Mobile uses the saved color but does not let you change it there. If you schedule primarily from your phone, you can still capture sessions and invoice. Use the web app when you need the full multi-client week view or bulk generate invoices. You have seen how JollyBilling calendars fit into a real billing workflow. Plan sessions on the client calendar or the owner calendar. Use colors and recurring series to stay organized. Edit with clicks, drags, or keyboard shortcuts. When the work is ready to bill, generate invoices straight from the calendar, then finish and send from the Invoices tab. Open a client, pick a week, and schedule your next session now. The calendar is ready when you are. Thanks for watching.